In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zelle to transfer money on Truist Bank. Whether you're new to digital banking or simply looking to make your money transfers more efficient, this guide will ensure you're comfortable using Zelle within the Truist Bank app. Let's begin by opening the Truist mobile app on your smartphone. You'll want to make sure you're connected to the internet, as a stable connection ensures a smooth process. Once the app is loaded, you'll be prompted to enter your user ID and password. Take a moment to input those details carefully, as it's important to keep your account information secure. After entering your credentials, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This will direct you to the main dashboard of your Truist account. Once you're logged in, you'll see various banking options at your disposal. For today's purpose, locate the Transfer section. This will be your gateway to accessing Zelle and sending money to your contacts. Now go ahead and click on Send Money with Zelle. It's a secure way to quickly send and receive money with your friends and family directly from your bank account. If it's your first time using Zelle through Truist, you may encounter some brief terms and conditions. Be sure to read through them for clarity before proceeding. The next step is to click on Send Money. This option will allow you to initiate the transaction. At this point, you'll need to select a recipient. If you've sent money previously, Truist app keeps a handy list of recent recipients, simplifying the process for frequent transactions. If you're sending money to someone new, you can click on Add Recipient and input their details. Make sure to have either their email address or a US phone number handy to complete this part. Once you have your recipient ready, it's time to type in the amount you wish to send. Double-check the figure to avoid any potential errors. Accuracy here ensures your transaction goes smoothly without needing additional verification or follow-ups. Before sending, click on Review. This step is crucial as it provides an overview of your transaction details. Take a few seconds to verify the recipient, the amount, and any additional notes you may have included. This review stage can prevent any mishaps or misdirected funds. Finally, you'll hit Send. Congratulations, your money is on its way. Depending on the recipient's bank, they might receive the funds almost immediately or within a few business days. Keep an eye out for any alerts or notifications that confirm the transfer was successful. Thanks for joining me today on our journey through using Zelle with Truist Bank. Remember, digital banking is all about convenience and security. Happy banking, and I'll see you in the next video.